Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to make a pie graph in Google Sheets. There are a lot of great reasons to make a pie chart. It shows relationships between pieces of data, and it's a great way to convey an idea with very few words. Open Google Sheets file that you need. Select the data that you need. Click on Insert at the top Tools bar. Choose Charts from the list. The right side Tools panel will open. Click on the chart type list. You will see available styles. Click on the chart style that you want to use. Go to Label and click on Color. Click on the color on the chart. Change the color on the right side of the panel. Change all the other colors that you need. Click on the color on the chart. Change the color on the right side of the panel. Go to Customize tab. You will see a list of categories to edit: Chart Style, Pie Chart, Pie Slice, Chart, and Axis Titles, Legend. Click on the category and edit the parts that you need to. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!